Start para. This petition is filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, read with Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, seeking quashing of First Information Report number 250 of 2014, which is registered with Daund Police Station, Pune, dated 31st July 2014, for the offences punishable under sections 376, 417, 506 of the Indian Penal Code and under section 3(1)(12) of the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes (Prevention of Atrocities) Act, 1989, full stop, para. By an order dated 5th April 2016, rule was issued and ad interim relief granted earlier was continued, full stop. It is alleged by the petitioner in the FIR that, the respondent number's 2's son was studying in the Seth Jyoti Prasad School, and due to financial condition of the respondent number 2, she decided to change the school of her son from English medium to Marathi medium, full stop. At that point of time, the respondent number 2 met present petitioner, who was then the secretary of the school, full stop. The petitioner insisted the respondent number 2 not to change the school and assured that, he would take care of the respondent number 2's son's school fees, and insisted on continuing with the English medium school, full stop. Thereafter, the respondent number 2's son continued his schooling in the English medium school, full stop. Later, the petitioner used to call upon the respondent number 2 when she used to go to school to drop her son, full stop. On one such day, the petitioner inquired about the family status of the respondent number 2 and further informed her that he had marital issue with his wife and promised the respondent number 2 that he would marry her and would also make arrangement of her residence by buying a house for her, full stop. Soon thereafter, one day the petitioner came to the house of the respondent number 2 and without her permission and willingness maintained physical contact with her and committed rape on her, full stop. Thereafter, the petitioner repeatedly committed the act of rape on the respondent number 2, full stop. He also threatened the respondent number 2 that, if she informs anybody about the act committed by the petitioner, he would remove the respondent number 2's son from the school, so also, he would kill the respondent number 2, full stop. The petitioner continued his act of committing rape on the respondent number 2, and though, he had promised her for getting married to him, he started avoiding the said promise, full stop. The respondent number 2 thereafter got pregnant due to relations of the respondent number 2 with the petitioner and delivered a baby girl on 17th February 1999, full stop. Even after the baby girl was born, the petitioner kept on having relations with the respondent number 2, and after 2 years, on 6 February 2001, a baby boy was born due to the relationship of the petitioner with the respondent number 2, full stop. The petitioner kept on threatening the respondent number 2 with dire consequences if she discloses about his relationship with the respondent number 2, and also further passed remarks of casteism against the respondent number 2 as she was from scheduled tribe, full stop. Hence, the respondent number 2 lodged an FIR with the police. Stop.